The Roborock Q8 Max Plus robot vacuum offers a self-emptying feature with a 2.5-liter dust bag, allowing you to enjoy up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning without needing to manually empty the dustbin. Its app-controlled mopping feature lets you customize cleaning intensity for different rooms and floor types, making it highly adaptable to your home's specific needs. With Reactive Technology Obstacle Avoidance, this robot vacuum navigates your home smoothly, ensuring a seamless cleaning experience without interruptions. The vacuum's powerful 5,500 Pascal suction and carpet boost function deliver a deep and efficient clean, particularly enhancing performance on carpets. Featuring the innovative Duo Roller Brush, the Roborock Q8 Max Plus minimizes hair tangles and optimizes vacuum efficiency, providing a hassle-free cleaning experience. Equipped with PressAscent's LiDAR navigation, it offers precise mapping and multi-level cleaning capabilities, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your living space.